Have you ever seen a wheel this damaged? Did you know they can be fixed? I've repaired thousands over the last 10 years. If I can't fix it, the customer doesn't owe a penny. Every repair is outlined, initialed, and dated with an engraver. Yes, I carry plenty of liability insurance for this. No, I've never had a wheel come back. If you have a cracked wheel at any local tire shops, they will send you to me. I can usually fix your wheel much faster and cheaper than buying a new one. But I always recommend customers check on prices so they make an informed decision. If you have any questions, comment them below and I'll be happy to answer. We're located in Doe Run, Missouri. Google Conway Metal Tech for the number and directions. We are currently ranked number 1 in aluminum welders in Missouri. Thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of the video.